So right now guys, if you see on my screen that the Huawei Mate 40 series theme is installed on my Huawei mobile phone. So I will show you how you can download and install the Huawei Mate 40 series themes and wallpapers on any of your Huawei mobile phones without any issue and very easily. So for that you have to watch the video till the end so you can understand the procedure very well. So before starting the video, I request you to hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So guys, first of all, I have to show you that I have deleted all the themes from the Huawei Mate 40 series just to show you how you can download and install them yourself. So right now guys, I have one website in my home screen. So I will click on it. It is from Huawei, so it's very safe. So don't worry about it. And right now, as you can see that that website has opened, and here you can see written in blue, first download the required theme files from here, written in the red. So you will click on from here. So after that it's loading, and now you can see two options. One is of download and second one is open in Mega app. So you will click on download and it will start downloading. So after downloading, it will go in my files. You can see that files option here. In some mobile phones, it's file manager or my files. So after that, after downloading, it will go on archives. You can see the fifth option here, archives. So you will click on that one. After clicking on that one, you can see the first one, Huawei ALSE themes.zip. So that's it. It's a 108 MB file. These are the wallpapers and themes. So we'll just make a long click on it. After making a long click, you will click on copy here. You can see on the bottom copy move. So you will click on copy. After clicking on copy, you can see two options, network neighborhood and second one, internal storage of your mobile phone. So you will click on internal storage. After clicking on that, you will scroll down a little bit and find the folder that we want to find. And here you can see in the middle Huawei folder. So we'll click on it. And now you can see three options here, but we'll click on the second one, themes. And after clicking on that one, you can see on the bottom the paste option. So we'll click on it. And now you can see it has been pasted here, but what we have to do, we have to click on that one again, Huawei LSE. After clicking on that one, we'll select RAR. So we'll click on it. Now after selecting that one, we'll click on it again, Huawei LSE. And now we'll click on themes in the middle. And now after clicking on it, we'll select all of them one by one from the sides. We'll tick them. Okay, after ticking them, we'll just click on one of them and we'll click extract here, the first option. So we'll click on it, and now after clicking on it, we'll go back, and right now you can see that all the Huawei themes are here. So we'll go back and go on settings and go on home screen and wallpaper, then go on themes, then click on me from the bottom and then click on themes. After clicking on themes, you can see that all the themes of the Huawei Mate 40 have been installed here. And I will also show you the wallpapers. If you don't want to apply the theme, you can just simply apply the wallpaper of it if you want. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.